Company name, date. Document title. Book Rising Star Academy. Tagline. Knowledge is your hard currency. Q1. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of India in May 2025? A. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. B. Justice U.U. Lalit. C. Justice N.V. Ramana. D. Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Answer. D. Justice Sanjeev Khanna. Explanation. Justice Sanjeev Khanna was appointed as the 51st Chief Justice of India in May 2025, succeeding Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Q2. Which country recently launched the world's first AI-powered weather satellite? A. USA. B. China. C. Japan. D. India. Answer. B. China. Explanation. China launched the world's first AI-powered weather satellite, enhancing forecast accuracy using machine learning models. Q3. Which country won the ICC T20 World Cup 2024? A. India. B. England. C. Australia. D. South Africa. Answer. A. India. Explanation. India won the ICC T20 World Cup 2024, defeating England in the final to claim the championship. Q4. What is the name of the latest ISRO mission launched in April 2025? A. Gaganyaan 2. B. Chandrayaan 4. C. Aditya L2. D. Shukrayaan-1. Answer. D. Shukrayaan 1. Explanation. ISRO launched Shukrayaan 1, its first mission to Venus, aimed at studying the planet's atmosphere and surface. Q5. Which Indian city topped the Smart Cities Index 2025? A. Pune. B. Surat. C. Indore. D. Bengaluru. Answer. C. Indore. Explanation. Indore ranked first in the Smart Cities Index 2025 for its effective digital governance and cleanliness efforts. Q6. Which Indian state recently launched the Green Credit Initiative in 2025? A. Kerala. B. Gujarat. C. Maharashtra. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer. B. Gujarat. Explanation. Gujarat launched the Green Credit Initiative to promote afforestation and renewable energy. Q7. Who is the current chairperson of SEBI as of May 2025? A. Madhabi Puri Bak. B. Ajay Tyagi. C. Urjit Patel. D. Shaktikanta Das. Answer. A. Madhabi Puri Bak. Explanation. She remains the SEBI chairperson, focusing on market reforms. Q8. The 2025 G7 summit was hosted by which country? A. Italy. B. Japan. C. Canada. D. Germany. Answer. C. Canada. Explanation. Canada hosted the 2025 G7 summit focusing on climate and health. Q9. What is the name of the new digital currency launched by the RBI in 2025? A. E-Rupee. B. Bharat Coin. C. Digital Rupee. D. EINR. Answer. C. Digital Rupee. Explanation. RBI introduced Digital Rupee as a central bank digital currency. Q10. Which Indian airport was ranked the best in Asia in 2025? A. Mumbai. B. Delhi. C. Hyderabad. D. Bengaluru. Answer. C. Hyderabad. Explanation. Rajiv Gandhi INTL Airport in Hyderabad was awarded best in Asia. Q11. Who won the Nobel Peace Prize in 2024? A. Maria Ressa. B. Greta Thunberg. C. Marjaz Mohammadi. D. Abiy Ahmed. Answer. C. Marjaz Mohammadi. Explanation. Honored for her fight against the oppression of women in Iran. Q12. Which country became the newest member of BRICS in 2025? A. Saudi Arabia. B. Egypt. C. Indonesia. D. Turkey. Answer. C. Indonesia. Explanation. Indonesia was added to BRICS for South-South cooperation. Q13. What is India's GDP growth rate projection for FY 2025-26 by the IMF? A. 5.9%. B. 6.5%. C. 7.0%. D. 6.8%. Answer. D. 6.8%. Explanation. IMF expects robust domestic demand to drive 6.8% growth. Q14. The new Defence Space Command Center is set up in which city? A. Bengaluru. B. Hyderabad. C. Pune. D. New Delhi. Answer. A. Bengaluru. Explanation. Bengaluru will host the Command Center for Space-Based Defense Systems. Q15. Who is the current CEO of Twitter, X, as of 2025? A. Linda Yaccarino. B. Elon Musk. C. Parag Agrawal. D. Jack Dorsey. Answer. A. Linda Yaccarino. Explanation. She continues to lead Twitter's business operations under Elon Musk. Q16. What theme was chosen for World Health Day 2025? A. Health for all. B. Our planet, our health. C. My health, my right. D. Universal health coverage. Answer. C. My health, my right. Explanation. Emphasizes the right to accessible and affordable health care. Q17. Which country hosted the 2025 Winter Youth Olympic Games? A. Norway. B. Italy. C. South Korea. D. Japan. Answer B. Italy. Explanation: Italy's Lombardy region hosted the event successfully. Q18. Name the Indian scientist awarded with the Breakthrough Prize 2025. A. Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. B. Gagandeep Kang. C. Manindra Agrawal. D. Ashok Junjunwala. Answer C. Manindra Agrawal. Explanation: awarded for his groundbreaking work in number theory. Q19. In 2025, which state declared free electricity up to 200 units for all households? A. Punjab. B. Rajasthan. C. Delhi. D. Karnataka. Answer D. Karnataka. Explanation: introduced this benefit to support middle-class families. Q20. Which Indian startup became a unicorn in AI technology in 2025? A. Fractal AI. B. Rephrase.ai. C. Sarvam AI. D. Inmobi. Answer C. Sarvam AI. Explanation: achieved unicorn status with generative AI for Indian languages.